Something's off today. No birds. No wind. Just silence. Humans always leave their mark. Crushed ground. Boot tread. Civilized feet stomping through wild roots. Snare wire. Clean. Set fresh. He's not hiking. He's hunting. And I know what he's after. There he is. Uniformed. Alone. Speaking low into machines. He's not scared. He's planning. You want a cryptid? Then look me in the eyes, Ranger. I hope you hit record. He never saw it coming. Just leaves, teeth, and the weight of something ancient. You like tying knots? Hope you appreciate my work. Looks better in rope, doesn't it? You were setting traps for me. Now you're the one waiting. Let's see who breaks first. Eyes wide. Pupils shaking. Now it's real, isn't it? Not a myth. Not a story. Me. Save the excuses. You laid steel in my soil. You pointed your lens like a rifle. Maybe I overdid it. But how do you trust someone who traps you? Maybe it's time I disappear again for a while. You should leave. Something's coming. Stay out of my woods. Last warning. I didn't believe the stories. But he's real. If you're seeing this, hit subscribe. This ain't over. Check out the Raccoon's vlog in the channel.